Hi friends, welcome to Forex Trading and How to Earn Money channel. Friends, it is said in the stock market that invest money in whatever will be in demand in the future. The company that started with Amazon in 1990. Until now, it was behind Amazon in terms of valuation. But now that company will leave behind not only Amazon but also the big companies of the world. That company is Nvidia, which is number one in the world in making future technology AI chips. Is one due to the increasing praise and innovation of AI. New AI technology is coming into the market every day. The more powerful the AI is, the more powerful the chip required to run it. And she makes Nvidia. In this matter, Nvidia's luck changed when ChatGPT came into the market in the year 2022 because 10,000 chips of Nvidia were used in making ChatGPT. As soon as the market came to know about this, almost all the big tech companies of the world started selling Nvidia. Ran to, due to which the demand for Nvidia chips increased in the market. Today, tech companies like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Google, Oracle, Tencent, Baidu, Alibaba and Tesla use Nvidia's chips. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.